Today, I am presenting my research on bridging the epistemological divide in Islamic education. This work is deeply informed by my 16 years of lived experience within the Dars-e-Nizami ecosystem as a student, teacher, curriculum observer, and a general manager of madrasa.pk. My focus is the application of constructivist and project-based learning frameworks from Pakistani madrasas, especially Jamiatul Rashid, to K-12 Islamic schools in the United States. To navigate this complex topic, we will map our journey across five methodological stages. We will first locate the epistemological dichotomy currently challenging Islamic schools. Next, we will focus on the institutional paradigm of Jamiatul Rashid as a functional model of integration. We will then discuss the qualitative case study methodology used to analyze this paradigm. Following this, I will report on the hidden constructivist dimensions uncovered within classical Islamic pedagogy. Finally, I will argue for a flexible, organic blueprint that American K-12 Islamic educators can adopt to resolve their internal curriculum dissonance. Islamic schools in the United States frequently face a structural epistemological dilemma. On the one side, there are secular educational requirements that demand academic excellence through modern constructivist pedagogies and active problem solving. On the other side, there are the holy demands of the Islamic curriculum, which requires the preservation of traditional Islamic epistemology and scared transmissions. Balancing these two paradigms often places educational leaders in a difficult position, where they must satisfy state mandated standards without diluting the authenticity of their religious instructions. When institutions attempt a forced pedagogical integration, it inevitably causes